Friends, and welcome to my channel. It is 7 o'clock in the morning. It's 1st June and I'm here with my lovely topic. Yes, I got it like absolutely fabulously like so guys, I'm a brand baby. Okay, just check this out. It's looking cool because it's raining and it's rain and it's looking awesome. चलो मैं तुमको नज़ारे दिखाती हूँ. दिस इज मुझे भी सरप्राइजिंग लगता है कि इतना खूबसूरत कैसे लगता है. वाओ, इज़न्ट दिस ब्यूटीफुल? लुक एट द सन. Actually, it's going to rain any moment, but then it's like just see the water. I used to come here every single day. Now maybe in the rainy seasons to capture some shots or something, I'll come down. Am I cool? Am I beautiful? Am I gorgeous? Yes, you are. Mirror, mirror on the wall, tell me who's the fairest of all. It is you, Your Majesty. Thank you, mirror. It's something which I know, but still, you know how it is. Isn't this cool? Check out my hairstyle. Wow, look at how it falls. Let's go walking. Tipping, 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 tipping. Am I cool? Am I cool? Am I cool? Am I cool? Guys, I'm telling you something. Keep yourself stylish. Keep yourself posh. Trust me, this bag doesn't matter. It is something like it was there in one corner. I had to get the zip, the bag repairer. जो भी थे वो मुझे बोल रहे थे सलीम भाई की नहीं आपको ना जब मैं ज़िप चेंज करनी होगी. मैंने बोला नहीं, ओरिजिनली रहने दो, नहीं तो इट विल लुक वेरी टैकी, यू नो दैट शाइनी थिंग. सो आई टोल्ड हिम जिप. देन ही केप्ट इट फॉर 4-5 days. ही सेइंग नहीं, मैं ट्राई करता हूँ बिकॉज द जिपर वॉजंट वर्किंग एट ऑल. एंड बिसाइड्स इट हैड दस अगली फ्लैप्स विच आई हैव रिमूव्ड. ओ मैं बताऊँ, they look like those dog ears, really terrible, and I cleaned them really well, so it is like this. I given them fresh air and water and oxygen and lots of love and attention, so that's the reason why. So check me out, anybody from Louis Vuitton. I'm just doing this like Samaj Seva for the brands, whatever. Now you got it? Have you checked this out? See, it's looking spanking new because it's new. How's my haircut? How's my hairstyle? Isn't it cool? It's cool because it's cool. See the background. See the background. Enough about me. Why am I saying this? It's nothing to do with brand. It's the way you carry yourself. You need to be fashionable and you need to be posh. I can't be carrying this and I cannot be looking like a stupid, clumsy, pathetic woman. I need to have that confidence in myself. Then I give that confidence to my brand or to whatever brand I'm carrying now. Now this kind of a thing is a styling. You know, you need to style yourself. You cannot be just wearing your clothes. You're not some kind of a rack that the clothes are put on. See, check this out. The sky is so amazing. Check. It's so pretty. I said I need to get the shoot right away. Morning wala. Every time I come at around 7:30 or so these days. But today I promised myself 7 बजे मुझे यहाँ पे होना है. Just check this out. It's so beautiful. But except for the pond park, rest of the things are not really good. It can be freshly deleted. Check out my hair. नजर लग जाएगी. नजर न लग जाए. Check out my hairstyle. It's awesome. Can you see it? See the styling. It's something different. It's something cool. Check me out. Run, baby. So when my campaign starts, I'm going to be in full swing. I'm like bloody well, watch me out. Actually, that depends. There's a lot of enemies also. मैंने बोला भाड़ में जाए मेरे enemies. if things work out, if things work out properly, a lot of things are there. And wow, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. My face भी कितना pretty लग रहा है. It's because I wake up early in the morning ना, इसलिए. Good morning. That's the reason. ये देखो. Kamal of getting up early in the morning and walking. I love my haircut. It's like awesome. See my styling. Isn't it awesome? नजर न लग जाए किसी की राह में, संभाल रखना तुझे निगाहों में, तू खो न जाए. Oh my love. I can't believe myself. I was a sack of potatoes, all these years, and I was into styling. And in fact, I can say I've experimented a lot. I used to play it safe when it came to, even now I play like kind of safe, but I like this, I jazz it up with something, like suppose this. Check this out. My lipstick, my haircuts, my overall look on the face, the makeup. I won't say the makeup, but the lipstick. Just the lipstick and the kajal. I think for an Indian woman, kajal. अब मैं इंडियन बोलती हूँ कि बाजू वाले जो भी मेरे नेबर्स हैं, वो जो भी है मेरे पड़ोसी देश के लोग, फॉर अस वी डोंट हैव टू थोपावाई टू मच ऑफ मेकअप, क्योंकि हम लोग सावले रंग के होते हैं या थोड़े गोरे होते हैं, लेकिन मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. इतनी ज़्यादा चुड़ैल जैसा दिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अच्छा खासा एक कलर, एक लिपस्टिक ऐसा तुम लोग चुनो जिससे तुम्हारा लुक परफेक्ट आ जाए. जैसे आई टुक अ रिस्क विद माई स्टाइलिंग. ओके, तो यू हैव टू लुक गॉर्जियस विद योर लुक, so with your lipstick or with your kajal or whatever. So that's how. Louis Vuitton. See, it's like, I don't know why people make their entire handbag is not your personality. It's an accessory which I'm carrying. Okay, if it enhances my personality, fair enough, but that's my personality or my identity is not my handbag. And I find it very pretentious and pompous when people just kind of look up to me and they come and talk to me because of my handbag. Then they start speaking to me in this proper English. How stupid is that? You can speak to me in any language. I'll be speaking in any language. If I'm paise wala, I'll be having a brand. जबकि मुझे English का एक फूटा शब्द भी नहीं आएगा, and I'll be such a batata kind of this jadi batati bhaisi, but I'll be carrying this because of the money factor. You see these Indians, most of them, they don't really have that. I shouldn't be saying these rich women who are even NRIs don't have any class. Okay, when they open their mouth, you can come to know कि भाई what nonsense करके. Class doesn't come from having money. Class comes in how you use your money, how you enhance your brand, your personal brands. Other people's brands shouldn't make you. You should make those brands. Louis Vuitton, you need to be happy because I am carrying your handbag. I am giving an identity to your handbag. So you become a Louis Vuitton because I am carrying it. So we Indians, I don't know, Asians have this very घटिया habit, the पैसे आ जाते हैं ना तो ऐसे. Okay, so they behave like this. Wow, my styling is absolutely gorgeous, absolutely fabulous. Fabulous, fantastic. What's up with you? Why are you sitting there? I'm just scolding the dog. I'll show you the. I'll just chill over the dog. Excuse me, can you just go a little further? You know I need to walk down, right? As though he understands my English. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Tell me who's the fairest of all. People don't have confidence. They have confidence in their cosmetics. इतना थोपेंगे इतना. I think women should stay away from makeup as much as possible. Don't keep slathering your face with too many cosmetics, whether it's creams or cosmetics. Go easy. At this rate, I will not get any sponsorship. Something which I don't believe in, I will not even endorse. I'm strictly against using all this foundation, primer. It's not that you have to look like a joker with all that makeup. I call it a clown makeup. You have to keep your skin quite healthy. If my skin is healthy, it's because of exercise, hydration, good sleep, and I don't keep eating. These days I was eating a lot of sugar, but then I kind of managed it. So that's the reason why my skin is awesome and beautiful. It's because I take care of my skin. Skin should be flawless. And it's just a simple red lipstick that also it's not even branded. It's some Blue Heaven. You all can go and check it out. It is very nominal costing. People come and ask me about my lipstick brand and they expect it to be really. I said no, I buy local Indian brands. And I'm quite happy with it. They look quite nice. I'm not going to spend a fortune on lipstick. Nothing above 500. I don't remember. I don't want to spend a humongous amount on a lipstick unless and until it is a discount code or something, or some brand is the brand is paying for it and saying अच्छा ये use कीजिए, then I might think about it कि यार ये मुझे सूट करता है कि नहीं. क्योंकि मेरे when I went to the cosmetic shop, the boy told me आपके reviews, वो जो employee था वो लड़का, उसने आपके reviews इतने perfect है. When he showed me that drilling machine, I said, see, this is the cheaper version and I got of 600 rupees, equally raddad, nail filing machine. So I said, whatever is 1200, which is expensive electronics, you should buy that and invest in that. That is more important. I think this look is more perfect because अभी campaigning के लिए क्या होता है ना, I need to look more stylish and more posh. क्या है ना कि I'm just praying to God. पर नज़र लगने के बाद फिर then I become very sick. Doggy, say hello to the camera quickly. Oh, aren't you cute? You're the star. मैं 2 पैसे का भाव नहीं किसी को देती हूँ. So I am going to be very cautious of what the brand I'm endorsing and launching. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई पैसे मिले हैं तो चलो let's be लालची and just keep grabbing whatever comes in your hand. And that's the reason why YouTubers lose their identity or authenticity because they become lalchi. They become like भूखे नंगे कि खाने पीने को कहाँ से मिलेगा. Trust me, I have been having my YouTube from past almost 6 years and I didn't get even a 50 paise out of it. Where YouTube was making money through ads or whatever, I didn't get 50 paisa. मेहनत मेरी कमा मैं रही हूँ, खाए गूगल और ये यूट्यूब रहे हैं. एंड it is really heartbreaking. It is really heartbreaking. And ऊपर से they threaten you. मैंने बोला what have I posted that I should be afraid of? If you want to delete it. But why are you striking? Why are you killing the content creator? You want something unique, so you better behave yourself. Otherwise, take the substandard content creators which give you rubbish. They spread misinformation, disinformation, fear mongering, anything blah blah blah. So if I'm endorsing a brand, it's the brand which I believe in. Now suppose this is cotton and I prefer cotton. India mein people should be wearing linen, cotton, muslin kind of, because it is so hot and humid. And when I see women wearing this tight leggings, now it is tight leggings and tight stuff, and it's really really terrible. You have to be a little more flowy, a little more comfortable in your outfits. Check me out. And always jazz it up. Make yourself so stylish. People will say, ओह तुम्हारे पास फुर्सत है. मैंने बोला जो अपने आप पे इन्वेस्ट करता है, दुनिया भर की चबड़ करने के लिए लोगों के पास वक्त है, फालतू की बातें करने के. मैंने बोला can't you invest in yourself? Huh? I said I will proudly invest every single minute of my life in myself because that time belongs to me. I might look up into the space and waste my time. That is my time, and I will not give any explanation to anybody. I fucking don't have to be productive to keep people happy. If I'm staring into a wall, I'll be staring into a wall. I don't want to talk and look at other people's rotten faces. Bloody well, I will not look at people's rotten faces and chit chat with them for the heck of it. I've had people following me to see what I'm buying, what I'm wearing, which vendor I'm going to. Yes, yes. It's so much fun that your personality is so much that people are interested in you. Jabki I am a very simple, I won't call, I don't want to, I see people using this sympathetic thing, I'm poor or something, mere paas khane pine ke wande hai. When people talk like this, it irritates me to no end. I am blessed, and it's because of my brand value. Brand value as in because I have done some good karmas, the blessings come back to me. And you won't believe, I will support the local vendors, I will support the local shops, the local brands. That's the reason why, one of the uncle was Prakash uncle. He's saying, he's living here for 40 years. He's telling me you're more popular than me. He compared the parameter to himself because he's quite popular because he wears that cap, wears his t-shirt, and morning, evening, he's all over the place. While as he is telling me you're more popular than me. It's not that because I'm tall also, because I'm stylish, because I hang around with my vendors and I stand like, suppose I have to get this thing repaired. I cannot be acting hoity-toity, jaldi karo. 4 days he kept this bag. I said original zip. I need the brand with the zip. I will not be using a cheap stuff on my brand. So that paid off. 4 days. I didn't go and tell him abhi karo, jaldi karo. I said why should I say jaldi karo? I was losing my patience, but it was not a priority. Now there is a priority. If I have to carry a certain image, then I said अभी देख लीजिए अगर हो सकता है, क्योंकि मुझे वो दूसरा जिप नहीं डालना है इसके ऊपर. yesterday मेरे पायल के ऊपर लोगों की बहुत नज़र होती है. एंड वो क्या होता है ना, नज़र जब होती है ना तो माई पायल it kind of broke off and I was about to fall down. So what I did was, in the morning it was okay. By evening I went to my vendor and I said कि टूट गया. He's saying हाँ मैं ठीक करा के देता हूँ. So if I were not to go and fix my anklet and I would just bother कि नहीं ये अभी जाने दो करके, then I would have lost my anklet. I said, though I was so damn exhausted, I said nahi Shanti, certain things like this bag and my pile had to be done on high priority basis. So that's how I got it done. And if I didn't repair it, it would have fallen off somewhere. So पायल पे काफ़ी नज़र रहती है. पायल पे क्या, हर चीज़ पे नज़र रहती है. And I get random people saying, when I went to, he's like, हाँ मैडम मैं जानता हूँ आपको. जब मैं बस से उतरता हूँ ना, मैं रोज़ देखता हूँ आप वॉक पे चली जाते हो. That employee, everybody, when I went to that hotel, he's like, yeah ma'am, I know you, yeah you going for walks now. So my walks have made me famous. And it's not just I'm walking in the morning, I'm walking even in the evenings. If I have to go nearby, I'm always walking and getting stuff done. So that has made me healthier and better. Excuse me, sir. See the bird? Can you hear the bird? Stand like this and talk. I think a lot of sunshine is coming in. So I don't know whether it's reflecting. Is it reflecting? I can't see. It's reflecting on my face. So there's I hope things are going well because I went very slow. Gorgeous. Am I gorgeous? Yes, you are. Look at this shot. Is it looking pretty? Is it looking beautiful? You can see the background. Hi, baby. Hi, honey. See, he went and sat there. I'm not going to say hi to people. You've seen me first, you better say hello to me. I will not go out of my way to say hello to you. If you're rotten, good for you. Don't throw your rottenness on me. You can see this. It's 21 minutes. Actually, I'm so exhausted, because this humidity will kill you actually. Okay, I'll make another part 2 because abhi ye पीछे से see the sun. You can see it's very hot. I think it's around 32 degrees or so. Check out my earrings. Aren't they cool? Cool. I'm done. अभी इतनी नज़र लग जाएगी ना कि I don't know, some mishap happens over here. Either I fall down or either I get hurt or whatever. भगवान मुझे काली नज़र वालों से बचा ले. It's 7:20. मैं क्या करूँ इतनी जल्दी? फिर मुझे घर जाना पड़ेगा. I think I'll go to the Nana Nani park. That'll be better, right? Chalo, I'll hang up, I'll upload this and I'll get back to you all. Bye.